We're going to be working on lesson 15, page 73, and we're just getting more practice on that standard algorithm. And today, though, we are working without that place value chart, but we aren't working without that place value knowledge. We should be mastering that place value chart, mastering the way it looks, and we can use that knowledge to be able to move away from it and move more towards standard algorithm, subtraction and addition. So let's get into it. I'm going to work on D and E, which I find are challenging. So let's work on D together and E, and I will show you how to unbundle using the standard algorithm. We've been practicing, so let's practice a little further. I am going to start in the ones place here. 0 subtract 0, pretty simple, 0. 5 subtract 7. I do not have enough, so I have 5 dots. I want to subtract 7. I can't do that, so I'm going to have to unbundle, make this 0, and this 5 becomes 15. Now I can subtract. 15 subtract 7, that is 8. All right, I have 0 and 3 here. I have 0 dots. I want to subtract 3. I do not have enough, so I'm going to unbundle, and this 0 becomes 10. Now I do have enough. 10 subtract 3 is 7. I want to subtract 3. I have 3 dots. I want to subtract 6. I do not have enough, so I'm going to unbundle this 9, make it 8. This 3 becomes 13. 13 subtract 6. I do have enough. That is 7. 8 subtract 6. I do have enough. That is 2. And 2 subtract 1 is 1. So 127,780. Awesome. Okay, let's go to E, and let's get some practice with E. I'm going to start in the ones place. I have 0. I want to subtract 9. I do not have enough, so I'm going to unbundle. And this 0 becomes 10. 10 ones. 10 subtract 9 is 1. 4 10 subtract 8. I do not have enough here, so I have to unbundle the next place value. And this 4 becomes 14. 14 subtract 8. Well, that is 6. 0 subtract 0 is 0. And 4 subtract 9. I do not have enough, so I have to unbundle. And this 4 becomes 14. 14 subtract 9 is 5. 8 subtract 3 is 5. And we're done. 2 subtract 2 is 0. But you do not need to put a 0 at the end. If it's 0 at the end, we do not need it. We don't need it. All right? So that's all I'm going to show you today. That's pretty simple. I want you to try the rest of the problems on this page in unbundling and get some really good practice using standard algorithm. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lesson.